house right now. I'm getting my lashes done. We are getting volume today for my trip to Mexico. So yeah, this is very exciting. I'll just show you guys afterwards. Bye. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Hey guys. So today is Thursday, June 16th. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm getting ready to do my nails. I got my ring light on because my wall light is dying. I forgot to charge it. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it off. But as you saw my last clip, I did get my lashes done. I'm going back on Monday just so she can do a touch-up before I go on my trip. I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails tonight. I'm gonna do my toenails. I might as well just do them tonight too. But I'm gonna go ahead and handle all my nail business now so I don't be rushing when I do it. I go on my trip next week, like in 6 days, so I need to have everything ready because I don't want to do anything last minute or anything. But I'm not going to keep running my mouth. I hope you guys are enjoying this prep with me for my vacation. My son is sleeping, so I can't make too much noise or talk too much. So I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I finished putting the acrylic on one hand and I just have to do my right hand now and then add the design. Sorry. So there's that. Let's get into it. I really like these. See how long they last really long. Okay. Now this is where it gets tricky because I have to use my my left hand. Hey y'all, let's see how long my best friend stay on the phone for real this time doing my nails.
Me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. personality. Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on.
Okay guys, so I finished my nails. I'm going to do my toes another day because I am very tired and I do have work tomorrow. Y'all see I'm breaking out? I literally do not know what from. Like, I'm like breaking out really bad and it's like itching. Like, I'm really breaking out. But anywho, I finished my nails, both hands. My other hand, it's the same thing. I'm just ready to go to bed, so I'll see you guys when I do my toes and when I get my hair done. And I also have to get my eyebrows done and my henna. So yeah, see you guys when I do all that. Princeton, look, say hey, bud. Okay guys, so I had to come to Ross and get a bigger suitcase because mine is just too small, of course. And you know, I got my family with me, so I got the pink one and it's $59.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Okay guys, so we just left out of Walmart. I'll show you everything that I got when I get to the house. And you guys can watch me repack my suitcase because I had to get a whole new suitcase, as you guys saw. But it's really hot out here, so I'll see you guys when we get to the house.
Why are you laughing?
My mom and Princeton. I had to buy the fly swatter, y'all, because Princeton was like, I want it. So you know we had to get it. But I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so I am back home. I'm getting ready to pack my suitcase. This is all my stuff over here. I don't know if you can see it. Don't mind the stuff in the bag. It's just a mess. I've been rearranging my room and trying to pack at the same time. But anywho, so I'm about to pack my suitcase. And I guess you guys can just join me because I didn't show y'all what I packed anyway. So you're not gonna see like everything I packed. I'm just because it's already in like bags and stuff, but you know, just to see the process. Take all the tags off. Sit down, Prince. I gotta open it.
I've been on top for a while. Now I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in a butter jet. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamb, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my daddy knew me, and I fought at the win. My dog just caught another body, now he poppin' Xannies again. Caught slipping at the cul-de-sac, sliding on the Osman toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chillin' with a Zozak. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jack. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up, won't let me land. Playing dice with mustard, bet it on the photo team. I remember wondering what I'm gon' eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. Last I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Bring it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in a butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamb, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Mud, see me on mud. Niggas talk shit, but they never ever knew us. I've been on top for a while. Yes, I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' boom, 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 boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scary. Bought a big patty with a brand new wrist.
Okay guys, so I put the drama king to bed because he needed a nap. He was acting wild. So now I need to clean up my bed, pack my electronics, my chargers. Of course I'm gonna charge everything. I don't leave tomorrow. I leave on Wednesday. I leave tomorrow, not today. But well no, I leave Thursday, not tomorrow. I'm ready to go. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I need to do a facial mask because my face looks really bad. But anyways, I'll see y'all maybe later on. I might do my toes tonight.
Either you're bluffing or you just don't care. You could be bluffing or I could be bluffing at all.
Okay guys, what's up? So today is Wednesday, the day before my trip. Right now I'm just making sure everything is charged. Of course I'm bringing my chargers, but before I pack my carry-on, my luggage is packed and paid for. I just gotta find a way to fit my hat in there because I was like, either I wear it there or I try and pack it. But Prince is in the shower, if y'all hear him screaming and having fun. I just don't want to like bend it to the fact that it doesn't, you know, unbend. I think it will unbend, so I'm gonna just chest and just pack it. This is what I have to put away. Some laundry. I do need to add these pajamas and shorts into my bag because I forgot I had to wash those. And I just gotta pick up all this stuff, and I need to clean up Princeton's area. But other than that, everything is cleaned up. Yeah, so I'll see y'all later on when I get my hair done.
This one has less space.
Okay guys, so she got the cap on and y'all know what she's doing. I don't. And yeah, so I'll just show you guys up in this clip when we bring it up.